necessary synodical procedures having been completed, and the required declarations made, I, Gregory, by divine permission, Bishop of St. Asaph, and Bishop of the Church in Wales, next in order of seniority after the Archbishop, do now enthrone and install you, Archbishop Cherry, by divine providence, Archbishop and Metropolitan of Wales, and Bishop of Monmouth, into the metropolitical chair and the Archbishopric of Wales. And I induct you into the real, actual, and corporal possession of the said Archbishopric, with all its rights, dignities, honours, privileges, and duties whatsoever. May the Lord preserve your going out and your coming in from this time forth and forevermore. Amen.